door, say please, say thank you. Don't steal, don't cheat, don't lie. Know you got mountains to climb, but always stay humble and kind. When the dreams you're dreaming come to you, when the work you put in is realized, let yourself feel the pride, but always stay humble and kind. Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today you're going to learn how to play Humble and Kind by Tim McGraw. This is a great song, and I haven't done a Tim McGraw song yet, so here you go. Real quick though, thanks to everyone who has subscribed, and to all of you that have not yet, I would really ask you to. I love it when people subscribe, so thanks so much. But let's get into it. Standard tuning, Capo on the 4th fret. This song is super easy, okay? And I'm going to try to make it as easy as possible anyway. So but it's a really great, easy song. So you're going to do G. I like doing this G because it transitions easier in this song. So you're going to do G, and you're going to do E minor. See how easy that transfers? Because you don't even have to lift that finger up. Just move it over like that, right? Easy. So G, E minor, C, and then you're going to go back to G. I believe those are the chords for most of it. All right, so I'm going to start with the beginning. So you're going to start with G. So it's down, up, 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 down. Okay, that should be the strumming for pretty much the whole song. Now you can make variations on it, but it's just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And every time, so when you do that down, you're gonna like hesitate a little bit. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. Now you can play it if you just want to do all down strums. If you're like brand new, that's what I did when I was brand new. Jeez, it's been 15 years now. Holy Toledo. Anyway, but I think that's a very easy strumming pattern, and you can do it basically the whole time. Okay. So you're gonna do. You know there's a light that glows by the front door. Don't forget the keys under the mat. When childhood stars shine, always stay humble and kind. See how easy that is? Now, when you're playing the verses, you're going to play a little softer, okay? And then when you play the chorus. Now, the chorus is just going to be louder. Hold the door, say please, say thank you. Don't steal, don't cheat, don't lie. Know you've got mountains to climb, but always stay humble and kind. Okay, and you just repeat it. So you're just going through it twice, and you end it on G. Now you can do it the other G. You can do that one. I think it's more of like a standard G. You can do that one. I don't like playing it like that as much in this one because again, it's really easy to transfer from G to E minor to C, and then from C to this G is easier than from C to this G. Okay, I think so anyway. But it's up to you. That's the beauty about guitars. Sometimes some of them are, really. You don't have to play everything exact. So. But yeah, I mean, that's the whole song. There's no bridge in the song. I mean, so after you play the chorus the second time, you're just gonna do that same chord progression. Now you could kind of skip it, but I would play it, if you're playing at a campfire or something, I would play it just with no lyrics. Now you could kind of spice it up and go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I'm like adding that little bit more in there, and you can do stuff like that. It'll make it fun. I would do that during the bridge where they kind of have like that little. It's not really like a solo, but kind of, but it's just kind of like a break in the song. And then they go into the third verse, and it's just when it's hot, eat a root beer popsicle, shut off the AC and roll the windows down. Let that summer sun shine. Always stay humble and kind. Okay, then you play through it one more with the rest of the lyrics. and that's how the song ends. And you just do, sorry, you're gonna do it. I like doing it with my top of my finger now, my middle finger. You can play this song with a pick, whatever, but I think it sounds really nice to do it like that. So anyway, so that's how you play the song. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments, or if there's any songs you'd like to request as well. I'm more than happy to oblige. And you know what? I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.